Okay, so good morning, dear students. Yesterday, due to some issues, I am unable to access the Tinkercad, but I resolved it, and today I will be showing you the practical of the next one. So first, we are learning the glow circuit assembly. For that, you need compulsory the glow cutout and the glow holder. Second is the move circuit assembly. There is only information given about for the move circuit assembly. We don't have to do practical. We can also do the practical that also given in the learning by doing on page number 37 of your textbook. That is a one example of the move circuit assembly. If you want to try that one, so you can. So I'm reading it. What is the move circuit assembly? A move circuit assembly combines a vibration motor, slide switch and coin cell battery to move the 3D design. आपको 3D डिजाइन जब आप प्रिंट करते हो उसको मूव करने के लिए वी आर यूजिंग द मूव सर्किट असेंबली. Two steps are required for the design. The move circuits are first is the move holder means a red one, and second is the move cutout means this whole type. You can see in the glow circuit assembly that is we also need the glow cutout, and secondly we need the glow circuit glow holder, because we have to be make a shape for the we have to be make a space for the glow holder. That's why we are using the glow cutout. Same process for the move circuit assembly. For the move holder space, to create a move holder space in the design, we are using a move cutout. What is the move cutout? The move cutout is what you use to make the whole space in your design where the printed move holder will be inserted. जो स्पेस करेगा जिसमें आपका जो मूव होल्डर होगा वो एकदम फिट आ जाएगा, इसके लिए ही वो कटआउट यूज होता है. Next is the spin circuit assembly. It's a simple, you know what is the meaning of spin. You are the able to understood what is the meaning of spin. I don't have to explain the spin meaning to you. A spin circuit assembly is used to spin any part of the 3D design. वो कोई भी part को spin करने के लिए use होता है. That's why we are creating this circuit assembly. It consists the 3D printed holder, this one, red one, hobby gear motor. Whenever we are done we are printed our body object, then we are need this one. 2 AAA batteries, जो हम simple battery का use करते हैं वो. Printing and assembly is what whenever you take a print of them, then we have to be start the processing on them. आपने बुक में भी देखा होगा, बुक में बहुत सारी इमेजेस दी हुई है. सो वो प्रिंटेड जब हमने जो पूरा शेप बनाया था, ऑब्जेक्ट बनाया था, उसकी प्रिंट निकालने के बाद आपको दिखाया गया था. वो पूरी प्रिंट निकाल दी गई थी, फिर उसमें बैटरीज लगा के, सेल लगा के, पावर सेल लगा के आपको प्रैक्टिकली देखना है कि वो वर्क कर रहा है कि नहीं कर रहा है. The two shapes required to design the move circuits are spin holder, means this red, and spin cutout to make a space for this. Spin cutout क्या होगा कि सेम जो हमारा spin holder है उसकी space बनाने के लिए हम spin cutout का use करेंगे. So let's see. We have to be create a one wind mill. Finally, I open my Tinkercad and I'm so happy for that. So let's start. So create a wind mill. First of all, you have to be go to the basic shapes. That is already basic shape. Go to the down. There will be a one designed. Name is the paraboloid. You have to be select this for the wind mill and drag it on the work plane. Now, nextly, I will be showing you a demo. What should you have to do? You have to choose a one square, means a one cube that we have already on the top, or you can directly take a hole for that. I'm taking directly hole. Put it here, decrease the size of it. That's why it will be fitted on the top. Now with use of the triangle, I'm taking it up. Just because we have to be cut only the top part, this one. Taking slightly up. Yeah, that's it. Okay, now select both the objects and group it. So it will be a make a one hole like this. It's not a hole, but we create like that. Now, second step is that you have to be increase the height of it to the 65 mm, and I am also increase the size of it, size and the width. 55 and there is a 44. Taking it 55 also the same one. Okay, now third step is that go to the basic shapes, go to the down. You can see on the assemblies there will be a move, a globe. We are using this. You have to use the move cutout and the move holder. I'm using the move cutout here like this. It will be a fitted, changing the view like this. So it will be a perfect one. Now you have to be group both. So it will be make a hole. You can see that it will be create a hole. Right? At the bottom you have to be, whenever you take a print of this, at the bottom you have to be fit the cells. Now I'm taking this pin holder and it will be perfectly fitted. Taking the alignment so it will be perfectly aligned to the center. Okay. Now you can see it's perfectly on the center. At the bottom you have it's a space for the cell. You can see that. यहाँ पे हम cell लगाएंगे. It's look like our remote control. Simple example I am giving to you. Okay. Now put it side. I am taking a one cylinder. For this one holder. इसके holder के लिए मैं यहाँ पे cylinder ले रही हूँ. This is our cylinder. I'm changing the diameter by 11.40, taking the same size of the textbook, 11.40, and the height will be 21.07. Now we have to make a hole for this, or you can use this pin cutout to make a hole. That is your choice if you want to take it. So you can. So I'm directly taking the hole. You can know that the size is the 11.40 and height is the 21.07. So height I'm taking, reducing it by 11. So it will be create a hole for this one. This is also 11 and increase the height 22. Okay, now so it will be a slide wider. So again decreasing the size, it will be taking by 10.40. You have to check it's make a hole perfectly or not. 10.50. Sorry, it's a 10.40. So I'm also taking again for this 10.40 and increase the height slightly. We can identify it, that's why. So we have to take slightly down from the work plane because it will be a goes perfectly and make a hole. I'm just hoping that we have to decrease the size of it. 10. So that you have to check by yourself इसके लिए क्या परफेक्ट आ सकता है. अगर आपको अभी भी ज्यादा लग रहा हो तो आप उससे भी कम कर सकते हो. I'm taking 9.50. So you can also, because it the shape will be the perfect one. 9.50. Yeah, I can see it's a perfect one. Slightly down I am taking because we have to be create a one hole in it, grouping it, so it will be a hole. Now rotate it 90 degree and it will be on the work plane, so we have to be take it up with use of the triangle. With use of the changing view, we can do this. I'm showing you the demo, but because whenever we have to be take a print now, so that's time we have to be make a separate parts of them. उसके हमें separate parts बना देने हैं. Then and then we have to be take a print of them. उसके पहले हम प्रिंट नहीं निकाल सकते. हम सबके सेपरेट पार्ट निकालेंगे, फिर हम उसको ज्वाइन करेंगे फिजिकली. यहाँ पे हमें लगाना है हमारा जो स्पिन वाइंग के लिए जो विंग्स आते हैं, सो उसके लिए हम बनाएंगे पहले तो फॉर क्रिएट अ विंग्स वी हैव टू बी टेक अ वन क्यूब. इट्स स्लाइटली difficult, but you have to be understand this one. Taking here because it will be a mixing and increase the size, increase the length only. Okay. You can see the thickness also. That much thickness is enough. Now taking a one box over here, decrease the height, taking slightly up. With use of the front view, you can change it, check it. It may be like this, but it will be a thicker than the thin plate. थोड़ा सा thick होना चाहिए. You have to create only one and then copy it. So you can see it will be a create a hole Okay, now taking a duplicate of this. Sorry. You have to compulsory change the view. That's why you can understood that it's happened properly or not. Silence and what is this? Okay. Decrease the height. Slightly more. Now, with use of the triangle arrow, taking it up. It's not a perfect one, but you have to be duplicate the same one. Duplicate. You can see it's a duplicate by self and copied it. Duplicate. Okay. Now I'm taking only 6 and then decrease the length of it. Now select this all. Okay, but you have to be make sure that you are selecting only the rectangles and the whole boxes. 3 and the 4, 5, 6, 7. And make it 2. So it will show the holes. Okay, there will be some mistake. That's why it's not copied. Again, taking it slightly in like this. Okay, now selecting again. Okay, 7 are selected. Now make them group. So it will 2 hours again remaining because they are not. That's okay. I know that you will be do that better, but I will be show them your group. Slightly in. Take it again slightly in. Now make them group. With use of the shift key, you have to be select them. Group it. So it's a perfectly a one of the wing. And what should you have to do? Now take a rotation for them. Whenever you select, you can see here the rotation, so you can be rotating. Like this. You have to be rotate. Changing the view, we have to be go on that side. Okay, it's a too much wider. Changing the view now. It's below the work plane, so you have to be take upper with use of the triangle. I'm using the triangle arrow to take it up. Again up, because we have to be merge it and we have to be fixed it. One, taking a duplicate of this. So it will be duplicated, but we have to take the opposite side. So it's rotate like this. This is a one of the windmill. Okay, like this you have to be create your windmill. Then after creating this windmill, you have to be take a print if you have a printer.
Hello.
Please create the small size. You can increase the decrease the size like this, or increase the size also. That is depending on you, how can you do it and how it will be better. Okay. So now, next is the printing and assembly. You have to be print and take the assembly for this.
मेल आईडी चेंज हो गया है, मेल आईडी में आपको भेजता हूँ.
Okay, I'm opening it.
मैंने बोला तो खरीद आपको, मेरे को भेजो.
Sorry for the disturbance, that it will be take some time. Okay, so now it's time for the printing and assembly. So after the taking of the, after creating it, you have to be take a printout of this. You have to be take the separate printout of them. Then you have to be connect the wires at the bottom. You can on the side bottom, जैसे मैंने बोला था कि वहाँ पे आपको वायर लगाना है. Then batteries are also attached to AA batteries you need, and you have to be connect like this. After the printing, it will be look like that. You have to connect the batteries and the wires together. Whenever you turn it, you can understand. And whenever you turn on your switch, it will be the fan should be spin. This fan. Okay, here we done our chapter. Next time we will be solve the exercise, and I also share the assignment on the next Monday. Thank you so much. Have a good day, everyone.